Alright guys, let's start this third video analysis for next week. This is the third part. Let's just start with silver. Silver on a monthly time frame is actually not very clear. Weekly time frame, it's going bearish. Bearish target is gonna be this one. It has retraced to fair value gap, very solid bearish entry. On the daily time frame, market is dropping absolutely insane, and this is gonna be the fair value gap. 4-hour time frame, market is gonna retrace a little now. So guys, I'm gonna wait for market to retrace to this fair value gap or maybe to this order block, and then from there, once it's changed its gear, I'm gonna hunt entry here. But on daily time frame, let's just do some analysis again. On the daily time frame, it has formed a nice fair value gap. 4-hour time frame, price is still changing its gears, and on 1-hour time frame, price has already changed its gears. Guys, you know what, this is the low resistance liquidity. This is really a nice pattern entries. Okay, let me just see if I can take a trade tomorrow. So market is gonna go to minimum this high, and on 4-hour time frame, price is gonna be going to minimum this, because there is the only fair value gap, and my expectation is that price is gonna break this high. But I'm gonna play safe because this is not expansion, this is a retracement. Price has retraced a little, changed its gears on 1-hour time frame. Let me watch 4-hour. 4-hour hasn't changed its gears, but 1-hour it's changing. Actually, it hasn't changed fully, but it is changing. And on 15-minute time frame, I think market is gonna be bullish. As I can see, 12. Fuck man, it's going to be bullish from here. It has formed these triple highs, almost triple highs. Market took the liquidity here, retraced back to the fair value gap. That fair value gap worked, and now it has formed a bullish fair value gap. Guys, this is a sexy entry. I don't understand why it has all happened on Friday. Otherwise, this could have been a really nice target, and my target could have been this high. Minimum 1:50, 1:5, but this is not what I do. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on 2-minute time frame, and I'm gonna hunt fuck guys, this is my actually entry right here. I actually missed my entry, but you know what, I'm gonna wait for 2-minute 15 1 hour. Yeah, 15-minute was actually needed, so I'm gonna wait for another 2-minute entry. I'm gonna wait for, this is a green clear setup for next week. I'm gonna wait for price to drop back, take some lows, then change its gears, retrace a little, and then boom. Let's just see on 2-minute time frame what's happening. So on 2-minute time frame, I'm gonna expect market to come back, take these lows, maybe this one, this low as well, and from there I'm gonna wait for my setup to form. Price should just, I'm gonna hunt a unicorn setup on 2-minute time frame. Let's just see how it all pans on Monday, guys. Let's just go on gold analysis from monthly time frame. It should be similar to silver, but let's just still have our analysis. Weekly is bearish, same as gold, same as silver. Daily entries perfect. And 4-hour time frame still sideways, getting sideways, perfect. 1-hour entry bullish. 15-minute, damn guys, this is crazy. Oh, silver, and they have made a little, what is it called, SMT divergence, but it has not even taken the low. Silver, gold is not that clear actually. Gold price action is not that clear as much as silver, and price has just retraced to this fair value gap. So gold looks like it's gonna be bearish from here, silver looks like it's gonna be bullish from here. So I'm gonna wait for this, both of these pairs to show me good hands. I'm gonna wait for Monday, Tuesday. Let's see what happens on Monday, but my analysis long term on gold and silver is bearish, but it's in a retracement mode, so I'm gonna take an entry on a retracement, which I don't actually trade retracement, but if it change its gears from here, it's gonna be low resistance liquidity, and this is my model number 1. So let's just see how it all goes. Let's go on BTC/USD. Okay guys, BTC/USD is monthly time frame, it's very bearish. It's coming from a bearish target, and the monthly target could be this one. Weekly, another bearish fair value gap was here, then weekly is bearish. Weekly fair value gap is pretty big. Daily time frame, price has changed its gears. It has gone to this fair value gap with order block, and there's no reason for it to go up anymore. 4-hour time frame, price is bullish. So guys, I'm gonna wait for 1-hour time frame to, it has already taken this high. Now I'm gonna wait for a drop, retrace, and then expansion if it's not going to buy side. This is my analysis on BTC/USD, but if this low could have taken this low, it would have been really good. It's still in the middle. This order block can work, which I don't actually believe, but still it can work. For the safe side, I mean, you never know, right? Like, it's all probability game. But it has came to this order block as well. Weekly order block, weekly bearish order block, no reason to go up. Then it formed a bearish fair value gap on daily level. My strong, I mean, I'm gonna be biased one-sided here, and that is gonna be market. I'm gonna wait for 1 hour to change its gear, and then let's just see how it all performs. But I'm bearish on BTC/USD. And let's go to Ethereum. Oh, BTC/USD, then Ethereum. I guess these all work same. Yeah, weekly target, weekly, daily. It's going to be, oh, Ethereum came to the bull side analysis. Actually, let's see. Ethereum has a buying zone here with the bearish zone at front. On 1 hour time frame, it is going to take the highs. Okay, same guys, almost same. But I'll see on what happens on Monday, because I have to wait for Monday. You just never know what's gonna happen, right? I'm gonna wait for price to show me its hands. I'm not gonna rush. Okay, this is gonna be is there any reason for market to go up? Actually, Ethereum could go a little more high, but BTC/USD, I don't see any reason. Ethereum still has the potential to go up. It's very confusing when you see both of the pairs. Then it's like one is strong, one is weak. But this is the buying zone, it's working, and this is the selling zone. I'm gonna wait for price action to show me its hands. But as soon as market takes some high change, form of bearish fair value gap, that's what I'm hunting. It doesn't matter if it goes high or not. I'm just gonna wait for this setup, so I really don't care. Okay, DXY final analysis. Apart from that, these old pairs are not that good. DXY analysis, guys, I do really strong DXY analysis, but this is going to be a very cheap analysis if I do. So this is the fair value gap, this is the target on monthly time frame, weekly time frame. Price retraced back a little bit to this fair value gap. From there it's expanding, and the next target is this fair value gap, I'm pretty sure. Daily time frame, it's bullish. Price can retrace back 50%, 60%, then from there it's gonna be all bullish. Let's just wait for market to come to this fair value gap, and then from there it's gonna be good buying positions. That's my analysis on DXY. Final one, UK oil, US oil. I'm just gonna make 3 videos, I'm not gonna make more, guys. Okay, US oil. So final analysis, US oil. There is there any liquidity? I don't think so, actually. And price has not taken the highs. It's pretty, this is all because of war and Donald Trump. Dooland Trump, man. This is all Dooland Trump. It's all manipulation. It was all manipulation. Now they have booked their price here. These all wicks are booking. Now price is dropping, coming back to where it was. It can go below these lows here, man. It's completely crazy. On weekly time frame, it's bearish. Damn, weekly time frame is absolutely bearish. Daily time frame, price has came to this buying fair value gap. It's gonna retrace, and then from there it might drop again, but I have no idea because this is all manipulation. This is what I see in the charts. Monthly time frame, this is buying zone. Weekly time frame, it has a selling zone at the top. Daily time frame, it has a very clear selling zone at the top, which is gonna be in this one. So you know what, I'm gonna wait for price to, okay, let's delete this one. I'm gonna wait for price to come here. Then once price is here on 4-hour time frame, if it takes some high, then form a bearish fair value gap, enter, and then on 1-hour time frame it shows me another entry. That's when I'm gonna enter. I'm not gonna enter before 1 hour, so I'll have to wait for daily confirmation, 4-hour confirmation, then on 1 hour. It's a 3 confirmation layer. This is UK US oil, because the reason is I'm not very clear biased because it's all manipulation, and this is the buying zone on monthly time frame, so price can actually change its gear from here. So final target could have been this fair value gap, but still if it's gonna go below this low, then I'm gonna wait for these 3-layer confirmation. All right guys, that's it. This is all in this video. I have made 3 videos on my next week analysis. Go check it out all. It's almost like 10-minute video each. And if you guys don't understand anything, just type in the comment section. I'll make another video or I'll explain you guys. If you're absolutely new, subscribe to this channel and I'll keep uploading new videos, and I'll explain you guys how I trade, my strategy, my entry models, and every single thing in the upcoming videos. So that's, it is a big mess up here. All right guys, so that's all in this video. I'll catch you guys in the next video.